The third problem under the Newton's divided difference. This is also important problem. Observe a statement of the problem. Given u suffix 20 value 24.37, u22 value 49.28, u29 value 162.86, u32 value 240.5. Here we have to find u28 by using a Newton's divided difference formula. Okay, generally it is denoted as u suffix x. U suffix here u suffix x. This is the general denotation of these entries here. X entries are nothing but 20, 22, 29, 32 like that. Okay, and here we are going to find here u28. What it implies? u28 here. So in place of x, what we have here? 20. Means x value is here 28. Okay, so first construct here divided difference table. Okay, so you know that how to construct a divided difference table. First entry must be here x, then ux, that is nothing but f of x only. Okay, then first divided difference, second divided difference, third divided difference here. Okay, so x entries are nothing but 20, 22, 29, 32. These entries are nothing but x0, x1, x2, x3. Then corresponding ux value means f of x value 24.37, u20, u22 24.37. Next u22 value 49.28, next 162.86, next 240.5. Then first divided difference, it is nothing but in between these two, that value is nothing but f of x0 comma x1, 49.28 minus this now 24.37 divided by 22 minus 20. So what it implies here? 12.455. Then similarly in between these two, next entry must be in between these two, that value is nothing but f of, so this is nothing but f of x0, this is nothing but f of x1, it is nothing but f of x2, it is nothing but f of x3. Okay, next entry must be f of x1 comma x2. What it implies? This minus this, 162.86 minus 49.28 divided by last entry x2, first entry x1, x2 minus x1, 29 minus 22. So it implies 16.226. Okay, do this calculation in a calculator. Okay, then you will get a result of a second entry 16.226. I written directly. Then in between these two there is a f of x2 comma x3. So it implies 240.5 minus 162.86 divided by 32 minus 29. So equals to 25.88. Then second divided difference. Next we have to construct a second divided difference. So second divided difference means in between these two. Okay, this value and this value. So that is denoted as f of x0, x1, x2 equals to 16.226 minus 12.455 divided by last entry x2, first entry x0, 29 minus 20 means 9. So it implies 0.419. Similarly next entry between these two na, in between these two. So second divided difference, second entry must be f of x1, x2, x3, that is equals to 25.88 minus 16.226 divided by x3 minus x1. x3 means what we have here? 32 minus x1 means 22. Okay, 32 minus 22 means 10 only. So equals to 0.965. Okay, 0.965. 0.965 here. Similarly, find a third divided difference. Third divided difference means in between these two. Okay. So that is denoted as f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Third divided difference factors must be 4 here. Then equals to 0.965 minus 0.419 divided by last entry x3, first entry x0. 32 minus 20. Okay. So what it implies? 12. So equals to 0.0455. Okay. Do this calculation in a calculator, written directly. So the value of this one 0.0455. Okay. From Newton's divided difference formula. What is that? F of x is equals to f of x0 plus x minus x0, f of x0 comma x1, x minus x0, x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Our last entry is a third divided difference. Then stop the formula here only. Then substitute up all values. F of x0 means 24.37 plus what about x value here? X means you know that 28. Okay, we have to find u28 na. So suffix is here, x is equals to 22, 28, substitute here 28 minus x0 value what we have here 20, substitute here 20. F of x0 comma x1 value what we have here 12.455 plus x value 28, x0 value 20, x value 28 minus x1 means 22 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 what we have value 0.419 plus x minus x0 28 minus 20, x minus x1 28 minus 22, finally x minus x2 28 minus x2 value 29 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3 what we have value 0.0455. Solve this whole term, then you will get a 141.938. So this is our required u28 value. This is our required u28 value. You can write it as a approximately 141.94 also. It is also right answer. It is also right answer. It completes the solution.